What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you happen to be new, well, we're grateful you're here. And if you're coming back, we're really grateful that you've decided to come back again. In a recent video, I released a giveaway, and if you look, this pond is doing fantastic. I have not put any fish in here yet, so I am not releasing the name of the giveaway winner just yet, but that is coming in the next video, I promise you. Right now, we have 2 rosy red minnows in here, just simply to keep a bio load going in this setup. But next video, promise, I will let you guys know who won the giveaway. But for today, it's not going to be about this pond. It's actually going to be about this pond right here. Did you see this video? I put this video out about 3 months ago. It's got almost 200,000 views on it, did really well, and well, I wanted to do an update and show you what we've accomplished with breeding guppies in this little tiny pool pond. So with that, I want to go in and show you exactly how packed full this little pond is with duckweed. It is packed full of duckweed. I mean, so much duckweed and so much frog bit, which of course is for sale at freshwaterscrub.com. But before we can take a look at these guppies, you can already see them swimming up to the surface trying to eat the duckweed. We need to get all this stuff out, and what we're going to do is we're going to take all this duckweed out of here and we're going to put it into here. This is a bin that we have some water in that we take all of our duckweed that is grown and put in here in preparation for sale at freshwaterscrub.com. So let's go ahead and get this stuff moved. All right, well, we got well, not all, but a lot of that duckweed out of this little pool pond. And now that it is kind of cleared up from us messing with it and everything else, we can see these fish. And in fact, if you look right back there, you can see them all swimming around over there. But that's not, actually, hold on. Right there, look at that. Little baby guppy fry. And you know what? He is hiding great up inside of all that hornwort, which makes for great guppy coverage. These things are doing fantastic, and now that everything is settled down, I want to take a closer look. But before we do, I want to specifically show you one thing. All right, well, never mind. I had my eye on him a second ago, but I was going to show you the tadpole that's growing up in here, but he is hidden again. He's so camouflaged in here, but he's in here somewhere. So we'll find him again in a minute, and I will show you after we take a closer look at these fish. So let's do that now. Alright guys, I want to go ahead and feed our little axolotl Rose, and what we're going to be feeding her is an earthworm. Now granted, these earthworms are not like the fishing earthworms you buy at Walmart or someplace like that. These are actual food grade earthworms that you buy at a pet store. So they're clean, they're safe, and those kinds of things, and she absolutely loves them. Well, and she's going to absolutely just destroy this thing. So let's see if we can get her to eat. And there she goes. Look at that. She's got that big old honking thing in her mouth, and she will slowly consume this thing, swallowing it inch by inch until she gets it all the way down. And she may actually, I'm going to turn this light off as well, just because she is not a big fan of the light, as all axolotls are not, because they have terrible vision and the light actually disrupts their vision. So there she goes, and she will probably retire back into one of her caves to finish her meal. Oh, look at that. Destroy it, axolotl Rose. destroy it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this little girl eat here, but let's get on with this video. All right, so those are looking fantastic. So many baby guppies in here. I can't even tell you how many I have counted so far. So we're gonna move over to this pond. Do you remember this pond? We were breeding ghost shrimp, and I want to tell you, we were successful at breeding ghost shrimp, and let me show you how I know that. Do you see that little shrimp right there and the one right there? Those are babies. Those have hatched and grown, and in fact, right there, that is a mother shrimp who's got all kinds of eggs on her. So everything in here is looking good as well. I mean, we have so many baby shrimp in here. But these two little ponds, I mean, such a great use of these little blue pool ponds. I cannot believe I found these things at Walmart for $1 a piece. What an absolute great investment. And the beautiful thing is that we have quite a few left, so we're gonna be doing something crazy with those things coming up very soon, so you have to stay tuned for that. But right now, these guys right here are looking great. So why don't we go out in the backyard, take a look at the backyard pond real quick, and see if we can catch our baby bullfrogs out and about. All right guys, these bullfrogs are elusive, so we're gonna try to attack them from a different side today, see if we can catch them. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they're so awesome. I love them. This is where they like to hang out, is up on top of all this frog bit. You'll see their little eyes poking up out of it. Then they like to be up on this rock, and sometimes they'll get up underneath this piece of cork. The cork is really here, so in case little Miss Turtle Stew decides to come over in the aquatic section and wants to get up out of the water over here as well. But the baby bullfrogs are looking fantastic. Looking over here, we have our little shabunkins. There's one right there. We really need to do a water change on this pond again, just because of the fact that, well, we've gotten a lot of wind here in North Texas, and there's been a lot of debris fall in here, so you can see that the tannins are back up again. Well, kind of. I love the baby bullfrogs though. Absolutely love the baby bullfrogs. I'm so glad that I found all of those bullfrog tadpoles, because they're just enjoying life in here. So with that, guys, well, hopefully you went on to enjoy this video today, and hopefully you like seeing a little update on our guppy breeding pond, our shrimp pond, and of course, those baby bullfrogs. So we have a lot of content coming up, and I want to make sure that you guys stay tuned. So click that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, links to both are down below, as well as visit freshwaterscrub.com and check out our new plant packs. You can use the code POND for 10% off your orders. Make sure you check that out as well. And with that, guys, I'm truly grateful for you guys coming back and watching my content. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So with that, guys, thanks so much, and hey, we will see you next time.